Cornwell's air ratchets each have specific designs to help you in your work. This mini air ratchet is ideal for working in tight areas. The unique motor design allows for higher RPM speed in a small package. The boot-on ratchet head provides protection from dust and dirt. Use this mini air ratchet to get into the tight spaces that you need access into. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. If you use an air tool, you'll need the accessories to go with it. This anodized swivel fitting is an essential piece of gear to have. It connects portable air tools to an airline and swivels at 360 degrees at 2 pivot points. Lightweight, non-marring composite construction. Industrial quality with a 1/4-inch thread size. Attaches to tools such as nail guns, impact wrenches, air hammers, ratchets, and drills. Use this air tool accessory today. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's air tools have numerous variations for countless jobs. The right angle reversible drill is a great piece of gear to have in your arsenal. It's designed for added versatility and for use in restricted areas. It has a rubber head boot for comfort and protection, a variable speed lever throttle, and a ribbed handle for positive grip. The ball bearing construction makes for a long life, and a 3/8-inch Jacobs chuck is included. Use this right angle reversible drill for your work today. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's air hammers are revered for their quality. The air hammer set is a powerful piece of gear to have in your arsenal. Durable rubber vibration dampening makes this tool easier to work with for extended periods of time. The set includes the heavy-duty air hammer, quick change chisel retainer, 5 chisels, and a storage case. Get through the tough jobs you need to with this air hammer set. Available from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's air ratchets are a high-quality choice for your jobs. This 3/8 drive air ratchet has specially designed full cage gearing which increases durability and provides longer life. It has a swivel center exhaust to direct air away from your work, a precise variable speed trigger for control. The captured head design keeps out dust and dirt and prevents head distortion which increases tool life. The composite handle provides a comfortable grip. It even fits the cavity in the case for the TSI 242 SS Super Power Set. Order this 3/8 drive air ratchet from your local Cornwell dealer today. Cornwell's reversible cutoff tool is a great choice for professionals. It directs sparks and debris from the user and sensitive work surfaces. The 3-inch cutoff wheel is included. With a comfortable grip, you can hold on to this tool through difficult cuts. Order this cutoff tool from your local Cornwell dealer today. wide selection of air tools, Cornwell's mini 3/8-inch air wrench now has a green limited edition model. The powerful jumbo hammer mechanism provides efficient power to weight ratio, producing 550 foot-pounds of breakaway torque at a weight of only 3 pounds. With only 4.4 inches of overall length, it gives you access into areas a full-size impact wrench can't. One hand forward-reverse lever can be positioned for right and left-hand usage, variable speed throttle for precise control, and the handle exhaust directs air away from work. Access the areas you need to with this mini air wrench. Available today from your local Cornwell dealer. Cornwell's selection of tool carts covers a wide variety of solutions to your everyday needs. Our new 5-drawer sliding top tool cart gives you more storage options. The integrated power strip circuit breaker contains 3 120-volt outlets and 2 USB ports. The security lock system securely locks drawers with a tubular overmolded key. Cornwell's custom bumper is designed to absorb shock, resist most common shop chemicals, and help protect your cart from the wear and tear of everyday use. The sliding top drawers give you even more storage with the help of the flip-up top. All drawers feature full extension ball bearing slides. 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 locking swivel casters, and 2 non-locking. And is available in green, orange, red, blue, and black. Store and protect your tools with our new 5-drawer sliding top tool cart. Available from your local Cornwell dealer today.